Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mushakkalme. Hope you all are doing well. So this time it's a DIY from my side. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this easy DIY canvas home decor video using canvas, obviously some glitter paper and metallic paper. So let's get started. For this tutorial I'll be using this canvas with a flat back, and this is a glitter foam sheet. This is a sticker glitter foam sheet, so you can stick it easily without any glue. And this is a metallic sheet that I've used for the other home decor video. So I have cut the leaves from this, and you have to use white glue to stick it to the canvas. So here I have cut several leaves, and this is the white canvas that I have. I'm going to paint it dark blue in color. So this is the acrylic colors that I've used by Fevicryl. You can use any color of your choice, not necessary that you use blue. I'm going for blue and silver. So let's just paint that canvas blue. This is how your canvas will look like once you have painted it blue. Allow it to dry completely. Now with the help of a small foam sheet, I'm going to cut out the shape of a leaf. So I just drew freehand the shape of a leaf, and I'm going to cut it with the help of a scissor. Now I'm going to cut some freehand leaf patterns, but if you're not that sure, you can print out the shape of a leaf from your computer, and with the help of that you can cut the foam sheet. Otherwise, cut one leaf pattern, and with the help of the same leaf pattern you can cut the others. I'm going to show you how. I hope that makes sense actually. Let's see. So hold the leaf like this, that's already cut, and cut the other leaves. That's it. It's as simple as that. So my painted canvas is already dried. Now see, these are the leaves that I have cut from that foam sheet. They are various sizes: small, big leaves, small leaves, medium leaves, etc. Now remove that sticker and just stick it onto the canvas. So I'm going to do it on either sides, like one big flower kind of a thing or leaves, and then on the other side, on the opposite side, I'm going to create a small flower. So that is how I'm thinking of doing this DIY. So simply peel off that sticker and stick off that foam leaves or flower leaf patterns onto that canvas, like so. So guys, do you love DIY videos or nail art videos? Do let me know in the comment section below. And there are many DIY videos and some crocheting videos if you like crocheting, or even if you don't like crocheting, just watch it because it's very addictive. And there are many nail art videos that I've created. They are very beginner friendly nail art tutorials, so do go to my YouTube channel Mushakkalme and watch them out. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and show me some love. Come on guys, and subscribe, yeah, because there are not many subscribers though, but I love when you show love to my videos. So do follow me on Instagram also and on Facebook. So this is the way I'm just going to stick it. Peel off and stick, peel off and stick, and peel off and stick. So if you feel that you stuck that leaf or the petal in a wrong manner, you can just pull it out, because it's easy to remove, and then you can place it in the right manner. So this is a really easy DIY, because see, you get those glitter foam peel off sheets easily in the market now. And canvas, come on, you just go buy a canvas, paint it, and just stick those foam sheets, and that's it, and you have a beautiful wall decor made by you. I mentioned earlier, I told you I'll create a small petal formation on the opposite side. So here it goes like this. So the same manner, but I'm going to create a smaller petal formation here. So just get going. This is how your final DIY will look like, easy, glittery and beautiful. So do give it a try. And this is the other one that I've created with the help of those purple metallic sheets that I showed you earlier. These are pre-painted canvases that you get at City Star. From if you're from Kuwait, you get them at the City Star, and they retail for 1.5 KD, and they are foldable because they are attached with the screw. And yeah, on one side I have stuck those petals close to each other. On the other side there's some gap that I have left in between. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakkalme, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Guys, please subscribe to my channel for some goodness. And until next time, thank you for watching. Take care and do give this a try.